Hi, welcome back to my channel Hawk Academy. Today I'll discuss about advanced conditional formatting in Excel, which is very important for visualized your data. Okay, let's start how to visualize your data by various color or various types. Here you see that highlights one column value and highlights entire record. Okay, in this video I'll try to show you how to highlight your column and how to highlight your row. Okay, and here you see that top product, and here also see that top product. This is various product and here is only one product. If you highlight your top product, and you have to convert it conditional formatting. Okay, and first of all you have to primarily select this and go to new rule, and here you see that use a formula to determine which cell to format. It means that you have to use a formula so that it will determine your cell. Okay, cell means here, and click here. Here you see that format value where this formula is true. Okay, I try to write here equal and click here. Okay, and equal and click here. Okay, and here from remove $sign so that it will be freely, and go to format, choose a color. Okay, and also choose this color here. Okay, and okay, you can front color black and fill color good. Here you see that a color are selected for this area, and now okay. Now I try to write here to select or highlight this column, and here I write here camera. Here you see that camera are selected. Okay, and if I write here left top, okay, left top, here you see that two left top are highlight according to our creating rule. Okay, and this is highlighting column value. Hope that you understand. And now I show you highlighting enter row or enter record. Okay, first of all go to your data and primarily select this data and go to conditional formatting, create new role, and here you use a formula to determine which cell to format, and now equal here. Okay, and click here, and you have to remove $sign only for cast it only for column. Okay, and equal and go to here mobile. Okay, and you can choose any color. Here is various color available. Okay, and you can choose any color from here. Here selected a color and go to okay, and you write here left off. Here you see that row are selected and highlight. Okay, and also you can write here camera. Okay, you see that one row are highlighted, and you also write here perfume. Here you see that row are highlighted according to this text. Okay, this is column highlighting or highlight your entire row. Okay, hope that you understand very well that advanced conditional formatting in Excel, which is very important for any data analyst. Stay tuned with Hawk Academy. Thank you.